Hi, it's James here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create an email from your Hostonic cPanel control panel. So once you've logged into your cPanel control panel from my Hostonic, you'll be presented with this page. We're going to go ahead and click on Email Accounts. Once you're on the Email Accounts page, you will see here we have currently used 0 email accounts, and we currently have a unlimited amount available. This will vary depending on the hosting package that you've bought with Hostonic. To create a new email, we're going to go ahead and click on the plus create button. Here it will ask you for a username. So if we want our email address, for example, to be hello@demoaccount.hostonic.co.uk, we're going to type in hello. Once we've done that, we then can choose a password. Now, if you're setting this up for an employee, you can choose to send an email login link where they can create their own password. All you do is click and send a login link to alternative email address, and here you'll type in their email address, and that will automatically send them a login prompt to say that an email account has been created for them, and they can create their own password. But for now, we're going to set our own password, and you can either choose to type a password as long as it meets the minimum strength, which is 65, or you can generate a secure password. Once we click on generate, here you can see it's generated a password. Make sure that you store this generated password in a secure area to gain access to your email at a later date. Now we can either click on the create button, or in the optional settings we can click on edit settings. Here you can assign the amount of storage space to each email address. For example, its default set as 1024 megabytes, which is 1.2 gigabytes. If you want this to be higher, you simply select it up. You can also change the value of this to gigabytes, for example 2 gigabytes, 3 gigabytes or 4 gigabytes. Or you can set a limited number of storage for the email. Just click on Unlimited. If an email account exceeds its storage space, then they will need to delete emails from their trash can in order to receive more. When selecting Unlimited, this is unlimited depending on your bandwidth, depending on your storage space with your hosting package that you've chosen with Hostonic. If you ever need any more storage space, you can simply purchase more for little as 50p from my Hostonic. For now, we're going to click on Unlimited. Now here, you have another option which is automatically create folders or do not automatically create folders. What this means is that it will automatically create folders such as your inbox, your junk folder, and your spam folder. If you do not want this, and you want to create the folders yourself, click on Do Not Automatically Create Folders. For now, we're going to click on Automatically Create Folders. Here, you can also select a button which will also send instructions to the email address counted. This is useful if you're setting up an email address for a staff member. For now, we're going to leave this clicked. And now we click on this plus create button. As you can see, this is now created an email account. To enter the email address and to access the mailbox, click on check email. Or you can visit yourwebsite.com/webmail. From there, you'll be able to also log in to your webmail using your email that you've just created and the password that we've just generated. Once you click on login to your email, you'll be presented with this page. Go ahead and click on open. And here you can see the new email that we've created. You can compose. We've got our folders which will automatically create for us, such as our inbox, draft, sent, junk, trash and archive. And that's been it today. I'm James, and I'll see you on the next tutorial.